Installing the Mercury SMS application. In this demonstration, we will show how to install the Mercury SMS application from the AppExchange within the Salesforce.com platform. You can also visit appexchange.salesforce.com or use the direct Mercury SMS application link. Visit the App Launcher by clicking View All from the App and Item search menu. Select Visit AppExchange in the upper right corner. If you do not see this button, please consult with your system administrator to receive the correct permissions. From the AppExchange home, search for Mercury SMS. Select the app to view more details. Review the details of the app, then select Get It Now. Open the login screen and allow access. Decide which org you want to install the app into. Be sure to read and accept the terms and conditions. We recommend to install this application for all users. Be sure to approve third-party access. You may receive a delay message. If so, check your email to confirm that the app has been installed. Thanks for watching.